Thank you for choosing Cal Poly Pomona as a prospective school. In this how-to video, we will show you how to accurately report course repeats, academic renewals, and substandard grades. Once you're in the application, you're going to want to click on the second quadrant titled Academic History and then College Coursework. Please keep in mind that having unofficial transcripts is helpful when reporting grades. If your course has been repeated and the earned grade no longer counts towards your GPA, this will be reflected on your transcript. As we can see from the example on the slide, this applicant took Math 191 and received a substandard grade. We can see under credit earned and grade points that there are 0 points given because they repeated the course and earned a passing grade. There is also a notation of an R next to the course, which denotes that this course is a repeat. Institutions may use different codes, so please consult the transcript legend from your institution. You will still need to report each course taken in every semester, but if you retook a class and received a passing grade, instead of reporting the substandard grade, you will put RP in the grade area. The second picture in the slide shows an example of this. Please be advised that the institutions normally have a policy on how many times a course can be repeated and what will and won't count towards your GPA. If you have a repeated course multiple times, check with your institutions on their repeat policy. Since the application is filled out almost a year in advance, you may be in progress or planning on retaking a course. Since a new grade has not yet been earned, you will need to report the substandard grade that you received. While this will impact your GPA, it must be reported because your institution is calculating this grade in your GPA. As we can see from the slide, this applicant failed their communications course, but is currently enrolled in the course again. They still need to report the substandard grade as no new grade has been earned. Academic renewal is an option provided by most community colleges that allows students to alleviate courses in which their academic performance was substandard without having to repeat the course. Courses that have been academically renewed will no longer count towards a student GPA, but they still must be reported on the application. Each institution uses a different symbol to indicate that an academic renewal was granted. Please utilize your institution's transcript legend to see how they notated on their transcript. If your academic renewal was granted and is notated on your transcript, you will still need to list the class in the appropriate semester that it was taken. But in the grade area, you report it as AR. If your academic renewal is pending and has not been notated at the time that you are submitting the application, you must report the substandard grade you received. Only report what is on your transcript. Everything on your transcript needs to be reported on the application, and this includes substandard grades. We understand that these type of grades impact your GPA, but failing to accurately report an accurate GPA can result in a skewed GPA calculation and the possibility of an inaccurate admissions decision. Remember, when you submit an application, you indicate that everything you are reporting is accurate. We will request transcripts, and if we find misreporting and a lower GPA, we have the right to revoke your admission if you are admitted. Again, please make sure that you report your grades accurately. Using your transcript is the most effective way to ensure that this happens. Thank you for watching our How To Reporting Repeats, Academic Renewals, and Substandard Grades video.